Sino yan?
I didn't tell you to come here.
Open.
What?
Why are you here? Bye. Tayo still have to go to school, man. Where's my Mamaya lang, my bag is not here. Papi. Wow.
Can you open?
Kiss muna, Mama. You miss Mama?
Yeah. But I already kissed you in the only one.
Only one. What is your Ninja Turtle costume? Did you enjoy?
Yeah.
You liked it? What did you say to teacher? Did you say, yeah?
No.
What did you say? Like that. Did you scare your friends in your costume? And how did you choose pirate costume for Halloween? You liked it?
Yeah.
Maybe we have to wear it again?
Why?
Because it's nice. Wow, so many.
Can you open?
Wow.
Mommy, even Tara on Halloween has like this.
Who?
Tara, my friend.
Wow, you have a new friend?
Yeah, Tara.
Okay, you only eat 2 coins for now. Later again, okay?
Okay.
Not all coins.
Can you open?
You have to learn how to open. Calby, can you teach him, please? Teach lang, teach. You open a bit, then he can open.
It's mine. 56. I got 56.
56. Wow, ang dami naman. Okay, dalawa lang ha. O, keep na yan in the fridge na.
What?
Put in the fridge na.
My fridge.
So, it will not melt. Remember, chocolate melts in the sun.
What's this?
Aircon. There's aircon.
Yeah.
Very smart. So, what happened in your Halloween in the school? Can you tell me story? Kaya I missed you, man. I did not come and see you. What happened?
There were only other children there, but you were not here. So for me, I was there by myself. Only was with my friend, but even grade 2 gave me some of candy.
Really?
Yeah.
Was your basket full?
Yeah.
How about, what's the costume of your friends? For you, you were a pirate. How about your other friends?
Tara was Elsa.
Oh, so pretty. Next.
Ning was a pumpkin.
Cute. How about Nathan?
Nathan was
Zombie?
I don't know.
How about Chico? Chico, what is the costume of Bujoy?
That's my lollipop, Chico. I will open. Open for your face.
Chico, what's the costume of Bujoy for Halloween?
A monster.
Really? Was it scary?
No.
How about Muning? What's Muning costume?
Pumpkin. Dress. It's a dress.
How about Teacher Jade?
Teacher Jade, witch.
She's a witch? Aww. For me, I wanted to be, Wednesday with the hand here on the head. Do you have a friend that has a hand?
But for you didn't go to Halloween.
I'll go. You want me to be scary?
Mom, Chico's birthday.
Yes. Happy birthday, Chico. I love you.
Okay. Mom, when are we going to celebrate?
I said 2 lang gani.
Ma, celebrate.
Come here. Come. Come and lay down with Mama.
That's it. I'm not gonna open this.
But I already said you only
I will
open
open.
two.
I open for you.
Dalawa lang, gani. Chico, dalawa lang?
I want to eat.
Dalawa lang, ha? Bobby, dalawa lang. Masakit yung ngipin ni Chico.
Okay.
Chico, who teach you the song Bayang Magiliw?
Keep some for later.
Well, let me hear you sing. Be ready, go.
Bayang Magiliw.
Perlas ng...
But Mom, I got lollipop.
Are you singing for me or not?
Mom, lollipop.
Okay, put the chocolates in the fridge now. Calby, go. You go
Yeah,
first.
but is that?
How about... what's the face? Show me your face. The same like that. How about the teeth? Look at the teeth. What's Show me the teeth. Your teeth. That's Labubu. You are La Chico.
Chico. This is Labubu.
Labubu, monster. She's a monster. Calby, please. No touching people's bag. Thank you.
Is this Lubu? Is this Lubu? Is this Lubu monster?
Yes, correct. For you, you are La Chico monster.
I'm not the Chico monster.
That's Labubu monster. Give it to Mama.
You put it on your head?
No, in my store. How much is this?
30.
30 pesos?
Yes,
Hello.
30 pesos.
Malugi tayo sa 30 pesos.
Can you open?
I know, hindi yan sa atin, anak.
Open.
Hindi yan sa akin.
Must open this.
Ay, hindi yan sa akin.
Open. Can you open the thing?
No, it's lunchtime. Eat lunch na lang.
What?
Give that to auntie to keep we open later when we walk. Sige na. Later.
What's this?
Who's touching my bag?
It's our toothpaste.
That's my toothpaste.
Power.
Auntie is calling. Borrow lang.
This is not a Mickey Mouse.
Hindi yan sa akin, kay Ashley yan. Kay Ashley.
That's for Ashley.
How about Muning? What candy Muning got?
She got egg.
Egg? How many egg?
Only one.
How about Teacher Jade? What candy did Teacher Jade get?
Teacher J got 0.
0. And you? Ilang candy nakuha mo?
I got a 0.
Ha?
I got 0.
Okay. So where are we going to use your Halloween costume?
Kinder.
Kain ka na ng lunch, na.
Why?
Please close my window. I never open my window. Kay Ashley yan. Yummy. This is Labubu. It's Labubu. Parang gusto ni Mayumi yung color violet. Labubu. 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 Yeah. Yeah. Aba. Aba. Nag-ASMR pa. Labubu. Labubu. Are you finished with your food?
Yeah.
Your food is finished?
Yeah.
Nag-inom ka na ng tubig? Tubig. Ask auntie.
You can open. Open like this. Yeah.
Ilan? Isa lang.
Yeah.
Isa. Say isa lang.
Isa. Wala. Tatlo.
Tatlo or isa?
Tatlo. And this. No. This one. Then this. A new one.
Okay. Kanta ka muna. Bayang Magiliw. Ready? Go.
Bayang Magiliw. Bininalag-salang, binininin, bininalag-salang sa'yo. Bininalag-salang, binininin, bininalag-salang sa'yo.
Naging sinalang sa'yo ah. Sige, how many? Isa, dalawa, tatlo?
Yes, it's only one. This one.
Dalawa.
Yeah.
O sige, dalawa lang.
This one.
O sige, sige. Dalawa lang ha.
This one.
Dalawa.
Thank you.
Salamat.
Yes, this is dawala, tatlo.
Okay, lagay mo na sa fridge yan po. Salamat po. No. Hi. Hi. Lapop. Lapop. Wow, Yumi.
My dog is time already here.
Oh, it's okay.
And Mama will jump.
Sige, go. Langoy. Chico, mabunggo yung ulo mo. Oh, Calby, langoy, go.
Wait, let me mark it. So I cannot sleep over.
Oh, Yumi, ikaw naman. Go. Yumi. Hindi ganyan na. Ganyan, oh.
Let me show you.
Good job, Chico. Back. Up. Go. 1, 2, 3. Yay! Oh. Good job. Asa ka adto?
Chico, don't get mine. Give me it. My Yumi, I'll show you. Mama, I know how to put my hand in the higher. You want me to jump higher, Chico? Okay, let me jump higher. You see?
How about Chico? But Chico can jump too?
No feet. No feet.
Your turn, Chico.
It's better than that.
Mayumi. Na. Mayumi. Na. Na. Mayumi. Na. Mama.
Wow.
Mama. Wow. Mama Mayumi. Mama Mayumi. Anak, no, they are learning. You're disturbing, love.
Okay.
Mag-watch lang, mag-watch.
Ready, go.
Ay, not like that. Nene ka karon. Ah. Doon ka na lang magkain ng snack kay Ate Buji. Dala. Ah. Basura mo, Chico, ha? Go, Calby!
Continue, Calby. Go to the side, Calby. Continue.
Marunong na talaga siya mag-kick sa malalim. Oh.
Head down, head
No,
down.
we don't throw stuff from there. Give it to me, love.
On your head.
Wow, look at your brother. Come, we sit there na lang.
Face down. Higher your feet.
Now you want to do that play?
Mm. Alam ko marami sa inyo yung nakakamiss kay sa aking mga kulot, kay Mayumi, kay Chico Chico, tsaka kay Calby. Ayaw nyo nang tawagin siyang kulot-kulot. So Calby na siya ngayon, big boy na siya guys. So pagka-uwi ko, pagkadating ko ng bahay, nagpahinga lang ako saglit and then dinala ko sila sa kanilang swimming lesson. And I am very happy. I couldn't be prouder about how Calby, nalilito sa pangalan ng mga anak ko, how Calby is performing sa kanyang swimming. It has been 28 lessons so far and nakita nyo naman kung ano yung pinagbago. So Calby started sobrang moody, nagagalit sa coach, umiiyak kasi nga yung takot ba. Pero you cannot even imagine how he is right now. Tumatalon na siya guys sa malalim, nagba-back float na, and ngayon dahan-dahan na siyang tinuturuan ng mga paglangoy, iba't ibang klase ng paglangoy. So if you will ask me if enrolling them to a swimming class is worth it, yes, it is definitely worth it. And shout out nga pala sa kanilang mga coaches. Ayan, kay Coach Ann tsaka kay Coach Curvy ng General Santos City. They do train sa different swimming pools, pero nagtitrain kami ng mga anak namin sa Venue 88 dito sa may General Santos City, and kasama sa lesson, private lesson to siya, kasama sa lesson is si Kuya Jericho, which is the second child ni Madam Ten Gives, and kasabayan niya si Calby. So we enrolled them for a 30 session course. And nakakasaya lang, nakakatuwa sa puso na nakita ko talaga yung fruit ng aking labor, yung fruit ng aking pera. At natuto talaga yung aking anak sa paglangoy at hindi na nga siya guys takot sa tubig. So that is successful. And hopefully inshallah ang susunod na naman na magle-learn ay si Chico Chico. Am I going to continue his swimming lessons? Yes, most probably. Malaki yung chance kasi nakita ko na nag-e-enjoy siya and he is always looking forward sa kanyang swimming class. And lalo na ngayon guys, mas lalo na ngayon, gusto niya lagi akong sumama, gusto niya lagi ko siya nakikita na nag-swim na mag-isa. So nakakatuwa. And isa yan sa reason kung bakit hindi ako pwedeng tumigil sa pagtatrabaho, kasi it's important for me na masuportahan yung mga skills at passion ng mga anak ko. May it be art, may it be sports, may it be music. So kung saan nila gusto. So far si Calby nagpakita ng interest sa swimming. Chico, of course, swimming for me is like life skill na kailangan talaga nilang matutunan, kasi I don't want them to grow up in this beautiful country natin na Pilipinas with over 7,000 islands na hindi sila marunong lumangoy or they have that fear sa tubig. I don't want them to grow up like me na I cannot maximize my holiday kasi nga takot ako sa tubig, sa malalim, sa dagat, sa pagtalon, sa mga tawag nito, yung mga scuba diving, yung mga ano yung panonood ng isda, nakalimutan ko yung term, pero yun. So I want them to enjoy traveling, I want them to enjoy and don't stop themselves na i-pursue yung different kinds ng adventure. Not knowing how to swim is a really, really big factor na hindi nila ma-enjoy yung kanilang paglaki, pag-travel. So, when we say beach, there's always beach or water bodies everywhere. Kahit na dito sa Africa, meron din. Kahit saan ka magpunta. Water activities is one of the most, fun activity during our travels. Hindi ko nga yan masyado na-enjoy when we traveled to Zanzibar, Africa. Zanzibar, Tanzania, I mean. It was very beautiful, guys. Sobrang ganda. And gusto naming ano nga tawag mo doon? Ano nga tawag mo doon, Achi? Yung manood ng isda sa ilalim ng dagat. Oo, yung maglagay ka lang ng goggles. Ano nga yun? Hindi, iba yung scuba diving, iba pa yung isa. Nakalimutan din ng ate ko. Iba yung scuba diving eh. Hindi. Ano ba yan? I don't know. One word. English. Kalimutan ko maraming letters. Basta yun. Hanapin ko muna mamaya, guys. Ano ba yun? Nasa dulo na ng dila mo pero hindi mo pa masabi. So, marami na naman magko-comment dyan. Anyway, si Mayumi ay pinapractice ko na din to enjoy the water. Para naman habang maaga pa, hindi siya magkaroon ng takot na tumapak or magbabad sa tubig. Kaya nakikita nyo, dinadala ko na din siya sa lessons like once or twice a week. Si Chico, sinasama ko almost every day kasi siya na yung susunod na magte-training. And yeah, I'm excited. I'm excited for the children. Kung gusto ninyo magpa-training guys, hanapin nyo na lang sa Facebook page, Curvy and Swimming Lesson. General Santos City. Pag na-type niyo yung Curvy Ann, lalabas talaga yan. So, the coaches are good. Thank you, Coach Ann, once again, and Coach Curvy, sa patience ninyo. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, napansin ko pala sa episode na to, habang nag-i-edit ako, naalala ko. Kasi sobrang pagod ko guys, wala talaga akong tulog na nung pabalik na kami ng Pilipinas. Dahil nga yung flight namin ay gabi, so hindi na ako nakatulog sa airplane kasi alanganin yung 4 hours guys sa loob ng eroplano. 2 movie lang yun sa Netflix. So wala talaga akong tulog hanggang kinabukasan. So ngarag talaga ako pagdating ko ng bahay. Pero hindi ko na-miss yung sinabi ni Calvin na sobrang disappointed talaga siya. At hindi niya nakita si Kuya Kahil na kasama ko. Kasi akala niya, iuwi ko na si Kuya Kahil. Sabi ko sa kanya, and-explain ko naman na Kuya Kahil still has school. So hindi pa siya pwedeng umuwi. Pero malapit na, sabi ko naman. Pero nakita niyo, sobrang disappointed niya. At natawa ako sa kanyang reaksyon. So, namimiss din nila yung kanilang kuya. And from time to time, of course, kapag tumatawag naman si Kuya Kahil, they do speak via video call. Ayun. Napapansin ko, hindi na sila makapag-antay. So, I hope, I hope samahan nyo kami hanggang sa magkita-kita yung magkakapatid. It's gonna be soon, inshallah. Ngayong December, dito magpapasko si Kuya Kahil. And medyo nakuha ko namang ibaling yung atensyon nila sa ibang bagay kasi alam nila na may pasalubong ako for them. And they were happy and excited. Of course, they are happy that Mama is back. I had to explain to them. Ako guys, nagpapaalam talaga ako sa mga anak ko. At nagpaalam ako ng maayos kay Calby na aalis ako. Kasi si Calby nakakaintindi na siya. So at first, hindi niya matanggap na more than 2 nights. Pinayagan niya lang ako for 2 nights. So sabi ko, anak, I have to go for more than 2 nights. So umalis ako guys, hindi talaga siya pumayag na more than 2 nights. So nung nag 2 nights na tumawag ako, sabi niya talaga, Ma'am, I only said 2 nights. Pero bakit hindi ka pa umuwi? So, kailangan kong explain sa kanya ng dahan-dahan na sometimes my work will demand me to, not be able to get home for quite some number of nights. Binibilang talaga yan, lalong-lalo na si Calby. Kasi pag hindi ako nagpaalam sa kanya, pagbalik ko guys, mapupuno po ako ng sermon. Katulad nung last time na umalis ako. Sabi niya, it's not nice for me to leave them without telling them where I'm going. Next time daw, pag umalis daw ako, kailangan ko daw munang umuwi at magpaalam ng maayos bago daw ako umalis. So, imagine nyo naman yung anak kong yan. Anyway, ganyan talaga si Calvin. Natutuwa ako sa kanya at his age that he's very inquisitive. Si Chico naman kasi konting lambing lang. Siyempre, ang unang sagot ni Chico, no sa lahat ng bagay. Chico, can I go without you? No. Chico, can you stay home? No. Chico, iwan ka lang, dyan ka lang, haalis lang ako, punta lang ako ng work, no. So, lahat ngayon kay Chico, no pa. Pero sooner or later, maiintindihan niya din yan. Ayun lang, guys. So, sana nag-enjoy kayo sa episode na to. Of course, sana natuwa kayo na nakita niyo ulit ang aking mga kulot. And, maraming salamat once again, you guys, for always watching our episodes. We'll see you on the next one. Much love, the Yigas.